What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another update video of MemeClip, because MemeClip is the first big crypto game platform that will bring several games out. It is in the early stage phase and we're gonna have a look into that, guys. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. I update you of course every day whatever is going on here in the crypto space, and I like to buy also into new crypto projects with high risk, guys, but also with a lot of fun, because very often, or at least in the past, we have done some great gains and also invested into great products. And usually I take my profits always back into Bitcoin long term, but whenever or as long as we are in a bull run, it is of course also good to be in altcoins, since I believe that we are entering now into a huge altcoin season. And MemeClip, guys, in my opinion, is one that you should not ignore, not only because it is mentioned in different crypto websites, always as the number one play to earn crypto project, but also because, of course, it is in the early stage phase, and also you get the very high API. That means that we can invest right now, accumulate as much as possible thanks to the high API, and then just wait for the launch. So, of course, nothing is financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to entertain you. I am just sharing everything that I'm buying, that I'm selling. I'm taking profits, my trades. I'm sharing everything with you guys since 2017. And this one is also one that I bought. If you want to be following me, then of course you can do that. The links are here in the video description to all new projects, especially the ones that are hyped currently. And this MemeClip is also here. I'm gonna put the link right at the top so you cannot miss it out. And MemeClip, guys, if you want to get on board, you can click here, connect wallet. Many wallets are supported. I usually like to use the MetaMask wallet, and then you can buy here basically the tokens. You can also stake it directly, and this is what I would do because of 6,400% API. That means that you can accumulate many more tokens than you're purchasing. So for example, here I just bought with the first purchase 30,000 coins, and I have over 125,000 already. It's like 4 times more. And that is because of the API, which is so high in just a quick amount of time. You can see that this is the amount of tokens that totally are staked. So most of the people are most likely staking those coins right now, since the API is so high. And this one is in the early stage phase. This is only stage 3, as you can see. Every time that the countdown is going down to 0, the price will increase. And that's why this is something that you always have to keep in mind, guys, that the price keeps increasing until the launch price. And then it's going live on exchanges. And the earlier you're buying, the cheaper you get it. And of course, the more tokens you get because of the API. And that's why, as long as we don't have a launch date here, it is good to buy with staking, because like that, you're gonna accumulate more and more coins. You can also browse through the website every day, because they're doing a lot of updates. They have already one game out, the Subway Meme Rush. This one you can already play and earn the tokens. Of course, if you don't want to buy in, so you can earn the tokens in the game, of course, if you have time. If you don't have time, then maybe just buy some coins and keep it, stake it, so you don't have to do anything basically. And the more games are incoming, like Pepe's Pool Party, Popcats, and the Doge card, and so on. You can here also every day tune in and check out here the fortune quickie generator, open now, and then you get a nice sentence here. Pepe invited me in and Popcat to his new MemeClip Pool Party, who is joining me, and yeah. That's what we got here today. So check it out, guys. And also, of course, join their social media platforms on X, for example, because they're getting bigger and bigger. The community is growing here, 4,500 people already. So also we're going to follow, of course, and give some likes here and some love, of course. That's always nice. And yeah, it's a new project, guys, but they have already a game out, more to come. And it is mentioned everywhere, because this one is not just one project that is bringing one game out like the others. This one is bringing out in the future different crypto games with always the same token to collect. And that's why I think it's a coin that can be spread in different regions and genres, basically, because it's not just about one game, it's about different games. And who knows what kind of games and memes that will come out in the future. This one will be always ready for the newest memes. And that's why I think it is better to have some projects like this than just one game or one token from one game that maybe it's hyped or not. Who knows that? Maybe that meme disappears after the next bull run or bear market. Who knows that? And that's why I think that MemeClip does things right, because they are basically prepared also for the future, for whatever meme that is coming out, to launch a game about that. And maybe we're gonna see also Peggy Penguins game coming out. Who knows that? But that's why I am invested here into MemeClip as well. If you want to be following me, links in the video description, guys. And I shall salute you for now. Make sure to leave a comment, a like, and subscribe, because the more active you are, the more comments I see from you, the more likely it is that I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner of $100 giveaway worth of meme coins as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see you all in the next one. Bye for now.